Hello. So we will be going over some derivatives of tangent. We'll be going over derivatives involving trig functions, and we'll also see when it is appropriate for us to use the chain rule in relation to those trig functions. Here's our problems right here. Will we be doing all? No. We'll do 34, 38, 39, and 40. 31 and 42, I will do it. I won't post the answers, but I will do it. You can go ahead and leave your solutions in the comment section and we'll explain it at a later date. As for 35, 36, and 37, they're just boring. I do not want to do them. Let's begin. So 34, we have h of t is equal to, so this is the one we're starting with. H of t is equal to secant t plus tangent of t. Therefore, the derivative of h of t is equal to the derivative of secant t, which is secant t. I should add let's make it a little neater. Secant t, tangent t. I hope I remember these. Plus derivative of tangent is secant squared t. I am 90% sure. I think it's right. I don't know. High probability that it's right. We then have, this is the next one. F of t is equal to the 3t plus cosine t raised to the half power. Square root means taking the half power, dividing by t plus 3. This would be the quotient rule, the chain rule, and situation 2 for trig rules. So we have f of t is equal to, this would be, I'm going to do it. It would be half minus a half. When you minus a half, you make it into the denominator. So it should be half into the bottom. That would stay the same. Into the square root of 3t plus cosine t. This color is annoying me. Yeah, we'll keep it because we already started. Plus cosine t multiplied by derivative of 3t plus cosine t, that being t minus sine t, multiplied by t plus 3 minus the square root of 3t plus cosine t, multiplied by derivative of t plus 3, that just being 1, all divided by t plus 3 squared. Let me just run through this in my head. So 3t plus cosine t raised to a half power. We bring the half power to the front. We raise everything to a negative half. We then keep 3t plus cosine t same. We then take the derivative of 3t plus cosine t multiplied by the bottom minus the top multiplied by derivative of the bottom, all divided by the denominator squared. And that should be correct. We then have 39, where 39 is, I'll do it up here. I will do it, let's do it in black. So 39, so we have this one. What is happening? We have this one. So the derivative of y would be equal to the derivative of cosine, so negative sine, multiplied by the bottom, that being 1 plus sine x, minus the top, that being cosine x, multiplied by 1 plus sine x. You take the derivative of that. Derivative of 1 is 0, put it down, plus cosine x, all divided by 1 plus sine x squared. I think this is identity. I can't remember. The top here, when you multiply by 0, it'll become 0, and the second part will become negative cosine squared. The top part would be negative sine squared minus sine x. but I'm not going to go ahead and multiply everything out. You can do that on your own time. We will now do 40. And I noticed that my internet is being weird. That's weird. So we'll now do 40. Let's go ahead and do it on the bottom with more space. Where 40 is, h of w is equal to sine cubed, which takes as parameter another sine function. For this one, it would be, that's a cool color, it would be situation 3 for trig functions, the chain rule, and basic trig rules. Okay, so it should be derivative of h of w is equal to 3 sine squared cot, which I believe is cotangent, I don't really remember the names, of w multiplied by derivative of sine, that being cosine of cotangent w, all multiplied by derivative of cotangent, that being, it's negative something, it's negative cosecant squared w. Let's clean everything up a bit. This will be equal to, which is equal to 3 sine squared. This is the part where we take the chain rule and we keep the inside the same. We then multiply the inside, that being the sine. Sorry, we then take the derivative of the inside, that being sine, which is cosine. We keep its inside the same. And we finally derive the inside, that being cotangent, which gives us negative cosecant squared w. And there we go. All done. That was fun. Wrong app. Bye.